Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Today I have a tutorial for you guys as requested. We're going to go ahead and create this Tulle Pom Pom that I had shared with you guys on, not my last video, but a couple of videos ago. And we're going to need some tulle. This is flocked polka dot tulle that I got from Hobby Lobby. You're going to need some twine or some thin ribbon, and of course you are going to need your pom-pom makers. I just used the smallest one. It just depends on what size you want to make, and then of course some scissors. This is optional, but you can also use some beads to decorate and a clasp. So go ahead and pull out your tulle. And I probably pulled out about 20 inches or so. And go ahead and open up your pom-pom maker. And we're going to start off with one side and basically just wind the tulle. You don't need to cut this until you get to the end. So just try to keep it nice and tight and start all the way to the left of that pom-pom maker. And just like, you know, you would normally create a pom-pom with yarn, you're just basically using tulle, and it's the same concept. You just keep winding this tulle until you get to the end. And you're not really going to use that much tulle because it's pretty thick as it is. And then of course you want to do the other side. And go ahead and keep winding all around and just kind of keep it tight as you wind, and close it up and then go ahead and cut. Super easy, you guys. It's just like making a regular pom-pom. And if you don't have a pom-pom maker, I'm sure there's tutorials out there on how to make a pom-pom. You just follow it the same way, except you're just using tulle. Alright, and then now we're going to cut the middle part here. And we're going to do this for both sides. This pom-pom maker is a must. It just makes making a pom-pom so easy. So if you don't have this, I suggest you get one. They're not that expensive. I don't remember where I got mine. I'm sure you can find one on Amazon. So go ahead and put your twine in the middle and just make sure that's nice and secure in there. And now we're just going to go ahead and tie this together, and I usually make a square knot, so I go left over right and then right over left, so kind of like a double knot, I guess. So now we're just going to open it and then go ahead and pull this apart after you've opened it, and just going to put this back together. And that's it, you guys. Now you're just gonna trim this, but before you do that, you want to fluff it. So go ahead and just kind of open that up and just make sure that you're not pulling. You know, you want to make sure that you don't pull it out, but you're just basically fluffing it up. And go ahead and shape it like you would your regular pom-pom. And so just fluff it as best as you can until you get, you know, the right shape, the look that you want. And that's it, you guys. It is so simple. I can't believe I haven't done this before. And like I said, it doesn't take much tulle. Alright, and once you're finished trimming, we can decorate with the beads. And like I said, it's optional, but I think it's going to be really cute to use for Easter. So now we're just gonna string the wood beads, and these beads I got, if I didn't say already, from Amazon, and I did paint a couple of them pink with just some chalk paint, I think, or acrylic paint. And then I just again make a square knot and make a cute little bow. And that's it, you guys. Super easy peasy. And how cute does it look, right? So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys were able to follow me and give this a try. Thanks for watching.